was the last time you stopped and asked someone to give you directions? Probably that was quite some time ago. With navigation apps like Waze on smartphone, you can survive even in the middle of nowhere. So if you're looking to build a navigation app, you're going to follow the standard mobile development process. So here are a few stages of navigation app development. Choosing your technology partner. You need to pick a software development company to build your app. This is the stage where you research, analyze, and select a company to cooperate on your navigation app. Signing an independent contractor agreement is a key part of this process. The next comes product discovery. Define the app you want to build. What problem does it solve? Who is your target audience? And why do you want to build it? Clarify your app's vision, define your product's goals, and determine who your end users are. And at this point, you also need to decide which features are the most crucial for creating your minimum viable product, which platforms your app will work on, and what will be your monetization models. Read more about the product discovery phase before getting into this. The next pointer will be UX or UI app design. This is where you determine how your navigation app will work and how it will look. You need to create a user journey map and then use the UX insights to create clickable wireframes, visual user interfaces, and motion design. Again, here too, you read more about UX or UI app design process. Project kickoff and setup. Now, these are the last preparations before the development team begins to work on your app. And this is where you get to meet team members, define roles in the team, agree on key rules, and the next steps and the tools that will be used. The idea here is to set up the project environment using the best practices, ranging from project management to DevOps. Now, this is how you make sure that the development process runs quickly and smoothly. You've got to read more project kickoff and setup here. Mobile development process with quality assurance will be the next step to be taken. This is where developers finally get to build your product using the best practices such as continuous integration, that is, plan, code, build, and test. And then this process is repeated. So make sure that your team involves quality assurance at every stage of navigation app development using manual or automated tests. Most teams follow the Scrum framework and divide the work into short iterations followed by demos. Now, publication of the app on Google Play Store and App Store. This is the important part here. Releasing an app means that you need to upload assets required by laws, create promotional materials, get some beta testing done, optimize your product, and everything else that ensures your app approval will go as smoothly as possible. So preparing for launch is key if you want your navigation app to stand out from the crowd and then succeed. Then comes post-development phase. App maintenance and further development is what is included in this phase. So the team keeps a close eye on your navigation app, detects any crashes, monitors the app's statistics, and works on further development by adding new features or improving the existing ones. This way, your GPS app keeps on attracting users and responds to the changing market conditions as well as feedback from end users. With navigation apps, drivers can find an easier way to their destination, check the situation on the roads, and report accidents as well. Besides all this, there are a lot of local-based companies seeking the opportunity to engage with navigation app users via ads. Still, the process of app navigation app development is not an easy one. So with our help, you can build a navigation app and make it popular among users. And if you have a project in mind, do not hesitate to contact Boostmysites.